This HME Type-3 Wildland and another just like it are headed for the Central Lyon Fire Protection District in Dayton, Nevada. The HME Model 34 offers a tough 4x4 high-clearance chassis capable of conquering a wide range of rugged terrain, from twisting two-tracks to challenging climbs and obstacles. The stainless steel Wildland body features aircraft-quality construction for easy maintenance and low-cost, low-downtime repairs. Brushed stainless steel compartments provide ample storage for Wildland tools and equipment. Wildland and interface fire suppression capabilities delivered by a 500-gallon per minute midship pump. With a 500-gallon water tank, a 150-gallon per minute diesel pump, a Class A foam system with a 20-gallon tank, and a booster reel and jump lines for pump and roll operations. Congratulations to the Central Lyon Fire Protection District on their new Wildlands. For more information about HME Wildlands, visit firetrucks.com. For HME Ahrens-Fox, I'm Rich Fleeman.